everyone. Walt Disney once said, all dreams comes true if you have courage to pursue them. This mother's statement holds good across generations and across times. Hi, I am Pankaj Vats from New Delhi, founder of Inspire Global Education Academy, a premier institution primarily focused on skill-based programs, and founder of Inspire Global Resource Management Services Private Limited, primarily engaged into the services which are related to startups and MSMEs to support them in various aspects of their operations. Having been done my Masters in Commerce, Bachelor in Law, Postgraduate Diploma in Financial Management, MBA in Finance and International Business, from premier institution of the country, I'm still a learner. Yes, a question sometimes asked why I'm into this profession. Having been served for more than 22 years in the corporate world and in the industry, primarily in the field of hospitality, aviation, capital market, insurance, SEZ and healthcare, I observed that the present education systems have certain limitations. Even after getting the degree, the candidates are lacking in certain skills which are practically required by an organization to perform a certain activity. But due to that particular aspect of that kind of niche, the capable candidates are not able to perform to that extent and are not able to make organization happy and make themselves happy. So to cover up these gaps, to make them aware, to make them skilled for that particular niche or that particular area of operations, we have designed that programs so that they are skilled in their particular activities where they can contribute to the organization is also getting benefited from it, and the more important part is the candidate or the person who is doing the job is also feels happy, satisfied. That is the most important part of it. This is something which has encouraged us to set up an academy where we can leverage our experience and give back to society some contribution from my side. When it comes to an ideal for myself, the first name which comes to me, and I think most of people can also vouch for it, is Sir Ratan Tata. I carry lot of respect from bottom of my heart for that gentleman who is a person of values. Sir Ratan Tata have never ever compromised on ethics, values, and when it comes to giving back to the society, his contribution is always on the top. There are other various people also who are my ideals, but when it comes to number one, it will always be Sir Ratan Tata. Sir, grateful to you being served in one of your organization and learned a lot of things and that ethical values which are still lies with me. The struggles, challenges have faced an entrepreneur is usually seen what an entrepreneur who is into the startup stage generally faces. Since I was having an experience from the various industry backgrounds, where I have supported in various large corporates setups in India. So to that extent, I have that kind of experience which supported me to face slightly less challenges, but still, yes. And as an entrepreneur, when it comes to challenges, yes, I also faced certain challenges initially. But my vision is and thought process is, if you have passion and right mindset and consistency in your actions, in spite of challenges, you will achieve your goals. And for that matter, the simple point is at least take minimum 2 actions daily. Although Coach Jack Field suggests for 5 actions daily, but even if we take 2 actions daily, which is 365 into 2 comes to 730. 730 actions in a year will definitely make an impact on your working and achieving your goals to a large extent. It can be 90%, it can be 100%. But yes, that is the impact of actions, daily actions, right? The major challenges as a startup is basically a couple of things which I have observed. People having limited finances, not having the complete knowledge of market, right skill set and manpower. So these are the area where any business owner or an entrepreneur face challenges. And the solution for this is basically having operation to a cost optimized level so that the cost of services are low, which make the value proposition to the customer at a lower price, and it can create a win-win situation and give you a stand in a market. Now, how can we do that? That's merely planning the resources. Wherever the resources are critical, having the right skill set is the most important aspect. Don't compromise on the cost. Check on having, instead of 2 resources, you can have 1 resource, but has to be 100% in line with the requirement. So have a right resource. Wherever the resources are very expensive and the limitations of activities are there, outsource it, right? Wherever the volumes are required, the experience is required, you can engage other agencies as well. Use the technology platforms, digital media, social media initially, so that the costs are at a lower level, where the cost of services are low, so that it can be available to the clients at a lower cost, which can be useful to them and have value for their money as well. And once the customer has the value for money, the product becomes successful and appreciated by everyone. So, but that doesn't mean that challenges are over. Every business, every entrepreneur has a new challenges every day, and by way of dealing with those challenges over a period of time, the experience teaches everything. So challenges will be there initially, different, during the operations different. So that's the mindset which drives an entrepreneur. And if you have a passion and the commitment to deliver, I think the challenges are taken care of properly. Thank you.